Mrs. Manisha Kulkarni, mother in law of Mrs. Varsha Kulkarni, age 69, was suffering from a serious condition of liver cirrhosis. The disease had progressed to such an extent that doctors had advised a liver transplant as the next line of treatment. This was an extremely difficult time for the family, as a liver transplant is a major and risky procedure. In such a situation, her daughter in law Varsha Kulkarni tried to find an alternative treatment option.
My name is Varsha Kulkarni and my mother-in-law's name is Manisha Kulkarni, age 69. She was suffering from liver cirrhosis. She was unable to eat properly and also had issues with urine and sugar levels. She remained in one place most of the time as she had no strength left in her body. Although all medications were ongoing, she did not experience much improvement. Doctors had said that this was the last course of medicine and it would only work temporarily. After that, a liver transplant would be required.
ACT abdomen pelvis test conducted on August 15, 2025 showed that her liver condition was extremely critical. According to the report, abnormal growth in liver tissues had led to the formation of multiple small nodules, and the liver had reduced in size. The portal vein had enlarged up to 15 millimeters, indicating increased pressure on the liver. Additionally, a significant amount of fluid had accumulated in the abdomen. In this serious condition, the family decided to opt for modern homeopathy treatment.
I searched online on YouTube to explore other options and came across modern homeopathy. After reading many reviews, I decided to bring my mother-in-law here for treatment.
After starting modern homeopathy treatment, a follow up test was conducted on March 10, 2026. This report showed significant improvement in her liver condition. The liver size had improved to 12.1 centimeters and the portal vein size had returned to normal. Intrahepatic biliary radicals were also found to be completely normal. Additionally, the CBD was not dilated, indicating no obstruction in the bile ducts. Overall, the report clearly showed positive changes and stability in her liver condition. Her health had improved compared to before, and the improvement was so encouraging that there was hope that a liver transplant would no longer be necessary.
After about 1.5 months, her eating and drinking habits improved and gradually everything became normal. Her health returned to normal. The liver, which had previously shrunk significantly, regained its normal size. Her LFT reports are now completely normal, and 2 to 3 reports have confirmed this improvement. The medicines given by Dr. Vijay Kumar Mane have been very effective, and due to them, a significant improvement has been seen in her condition. Therefore, I would like to say that anyone suffering from liver problems should consider this treatment as it has no side effects.
There was a time when a liver transplant was considered the only option for Manisha Kulkarni. But today, the improvement seen in her health has been made possible through modern homeopathy treatment.